Hello! Today's book is called I Love You, Daddy, and it's written by Stephanie Moss and it's illustrated by Kathryn Inkson. The morning birds wake us together at dawn. Oh, Daddy, I love you. I sleepily yawn. We giggle and splash as we play in the pool. I love that my friends think that my daddy is so cool. You show me new things everywhere that we go. I think you are the cleverest daddy that I know. If I prick my paw and I'm starting to cry, you say, there, little one, I'll dry your eyes. We leap in the air and we roll on the ground. You are the best daddy and the best friend around. I love the adventures that we go on together. I will always remember them now and forever. My legs are too little to run at your pace. Until I get faster, we will tumble and chase. I nip at your ears, but you don't really mind. You just smile and laugh. You are always so kind. I love you, Daddy. You are brave and strong too. I can't wait to grow up to be just like you. We cuddle up close as the stars twinkle bright. I will never stop loving you, Daddy. Good night. Goodbye.